Hi, this is Elizabeth Tompkins in my second portable app video using Inkscape to demonstrate how to do some advanced editing techniques for picture files. This video will include adding multiple images to the page, cropping images into different shapes, creating the images to make a brochure, and exporting the images to create the size that you desire. The first thing that I'm going to show you is how to add a box for your background. You're going to select the rectangle tool on the left side of the screen, create a box, and then make it whatever size or color you want. To do this, you can use these color on the sides, or you can use the colors on the bottom. Once you have your box, you're going to go ahead and import your first image. I saved my images to my background on my desktop so that they're easy to access. Once I import the picture, I'm going to have to transform the size. So I'm going to go to Object, Transform, and then I have it at 50%, make sure it's scaled proportionately, and I hit Apply. Once your object is the desired size that you would like it to be, you're going to select the shape on the side that you want your object to become. So for this case, I want it to be a circle, so I select the circle tool. I place the circle in front of the area that I'm hoping to create the object into. I select both pieces of the object as I mentioned before. I go to Object, Clip, Set, and my first shape is done. The next shape that I'm going to add is a more complicated shape. It's the star shape. But as I mentioned before, the first thing I'm going to do is import the picture that I want to use. Again, I put it on my background so that it's easy to find. Once that picture shows up, I can either adjust the size or not, depending on if I need to. Once the picture comes on the screen, I'm doing the star shape for this one. So the star shape is a little bit more confusing because the selection that you're going to make is the Create Stars and Polygons. You want to make sure that the star is selected in this top corner. There's the polygon, there's the star, you want to select the star. Once the star is selected, make sure that it has 5 corners, because the star has 5 corners, and if it has 6, it'll look different. Here's an example. If it has only 3, it'll be a triangle, like so. So for the star, you want to make sure it has 5 corners. You're going to take the star, place it in front of the part of the picture you want to capture, and then click the forward part of the picture as well as the shape, Object, Clip, Set, and it'll make that shape. Then you can move the shape wherever you want it. In this case, I want it to be toward the right side of my brochure. The next step I'm going to do is add some text and use multicolors to show that text. When you have all your information input into your document, then you're going to export the document. To do this, you need to close all the tabs until you get to the export area. To be safe, I like to grab all of the things. So I select all, and I export the selection, export as, and then I name it accordingly. After that, you have to make sure to hit the export button. And this is a very important step because otherwise your document will not export. And has exported, your project is complete. Thank you so much for watching this informational video. For questions, feel free to comment or to contact me at the email listed below. Thank you and have a great day.
This video is brought to you by the Professional Writing Club. For more information, follow us on Twitter at PWClub at UAB and like us on Facebook at Professional Writing Club at UAB.